In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a debit card in Trust Wallet. To start, open the Trust Wallet app on your device. Once you're inside the app, you'll find a variety of features right at your fingertips. These features include options such as sending cryptocurrencies, swapping, funding, and selling, not to mention the array of tokens that you've already added to your account. The user interface may seem packed, but it's well organized, making it relatively straightforward to navigate. Today, we're going to focus on one particular function, funding your wallet with a debit card. So, let's dive right in. Begin by tapping on the Fund button. This action will lead you to a menu with several choices. You're interested in buying cryptocurrency, so go ahead and select Buy Crypto. Upon doing so, you'll be redirected to a new page. This is where you can choose the currency you prefer to use for the transaction. It could be US dollars, euros, or any other available currency, depending on what suits your needs best or where you're located. Moving on, in the Buy section, you'll need to decide which cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Let's say you're interested in buying Bitcoin, a popular choice for many users. Once you've selected Bitcoin, you'll proceed to the payment methods. Trust Wallet provides several options: credit card, peer-to-peer transactions, and bank transfers. For this guide, we'll focus on using a credit card, which is typically one of the most convenient and quickest ways to make your purchase. After selecting credit card, you'll need to choose a network that facilitates the transaction. An example would be MoonPay. This choice may vary based on your location and the specific service partners available through Trust Wallet. After deciding on a network, you'll be prompted to enter your card details. This step requires attention to detail. You'll need to carefully input your debit card information. Make sure everything is correct. Double-check the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Accuracy is essential here to ensure a smooth transaction process. Trust Wallet will guide you through this with prompts on your screen. Follow these instructions closely. When you're entering sensitive financial information such as card details, always be aware of your surroundings if you're in a public place and ensure your internet connection is secure. Once you've provided all the necessary information and after confirming the details, you'll then complete the transaction. It's as simple as that. Your new Bitcoin balance should reflect in your Trust Wallet shortly after the transaction finalizes. By following these steps, you can fund your Trust Wallet effortlessly using a debit card, opening up avenues for you to explore and trade in the burgeoning world of cryptocurrencies. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.